Hello friends, welcome to my new videos. So here we will learn how to set up a PHP Laravel project using Laravel framework and authentication system and etc. We will learn in this video tutorial. Okay, let's jump to the project and make some features. Okay, this is our template. So I will set up this in our videos. Okay, so let's make new project. So I am going right now in htdocs and here I will make a new folder. Name is news. Okay, and here I will make a project Laravel framework. So first of all you need to set up PHP jam server and you set up a composer, PHP composer. I hope you will know that. Okay, let's start. Open here cmd or you can use git bash. Okay, as you wish. So here I am trying to install Laravel project. So this command, you type this command. Sorry, no, I'm not doing this. I will follow the Laravel documentation. Okay, just follow me and watch my video and practice more and more. Here we'll use Laravel version 10. Okay, and here the documentation how you will install Laravel project. So here is the command line. If you using Windows and command line, then composer, and you will create this project. So here is the my command, right? Composer, create project Laravel / Laravel and news project, right? Okay, done. If you want to install or you can create a Laravel project by global install the Laravel installer via composer, or if you want to install PHP composer Laravel head, the Laravel install is already available to you. Okay, so as you wish, what you can do and or how you can do. So let's wait for the complete the install project. Today we will install project, authentication, migration and setup with jam. We will watch, okay, how to do this. Just wait. I'm installing Laravel project in my local server. You are watching my videos. So hello friends, I am new in this YouTube, but I'm making videos last year. I'm not active, but I do, from this YouTube channel, from these videos I will try to active in YouTube. So please support me. If my choice, if you choose my channel or videos, please subscribe my channel. Otherwise, okay, don't worry, just wait. I'm waiting. Yeah, just I'm waiting. Okay, so I will share my GitHub link, repository link to you. You can watch this GitHub link, and if you follow my GitHub, you will learn a lot of more. So here is the my project. If you here news. Okay, so what I will do means I will first open on my VS Code editor and I will set up the news project. Okay, database name is news and my Okay, just I will go to browser, localhost psmi. I hope you know that that's a simple process to set up Laravel project. I have already start MySQL and etc server. Okay, the name is okay utf8. Okay, here is the my project already set up. Project is set up. Just open a terminal and paste on php artisan serve. You will learn this. Okay, just watch. That is the project. Okay, our URL is 127 and 000 clone 8000. Okay, so now I will install Laravel bridge authentication. So we are installing Laravel bridge. Okay, here is the Laravel bridge development kit, and I am creating a new terminal, and here is the process composer create Laravel bridge development. Okay, just install this one. So here is the documentation that what you install. Laravel bridge means Laravel bridge feature is Vue.js, React.js. So we will install just only Laravel blade template. Okay, here we will install Laravel blade. Yeah, that will be by Talent, but we have no problem. I will customize my this package. Okay, install bridge. So here is the feature you can watch. So what we need a blade, right? Blade. Okay, would you like to support dark mode? So I have no. And who is testing framework do you prefer? PSP unit. Okay, PSP unit. Okay, 0, just based on 0. And here is the installing dependency. Okay, installing and building the node modules and dependencies. It's here you will look the node modules. Okay, just what sometimes it's depend on your PC, how you configure your PC. So just wait, and after installing this one we will learn more lot of things in Laravel. So just wait. Okay, that is done. So here is the project and here is the thing. Yeah, good. It's a login route. Okay, so setup we'll set up this one, authentication in Laravel. So we are if we register name is Faisal, email is user@gmail.com, password will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's good. Okay, here is the database here not user dot. Okay, so what we need to do right now? Okay, it's error, right? So that's time we need to migrate our database. PSP artisan migrate. Just copy this one and paste in your terminal and enter hit button. That's good, and refresh now. Very good. Password confirmation does not matter. This 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Good. Awesome. We install our project. What we do? We install our project. Then we migrate our project, our Laravel bridge and authentication. That's good. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and follow this blog series, news series. Thank you so much.